Alright, so first of all, welcome back to my channel and a happy new year. I know I'm a little late on that, however, had to take me just a little break. I already did my eyebrows and primed my eyelids off camera because, like I say all the time, that is a video within itself. Okay, I'm not gonna do a whole lot with the makeup today. It's gonna be like a soft glam type thing. First things first, y'all, I turned 24. I turned 24 on December the 26th. Yeah, and I'm telling y'all that because I realized the other day that I will be 25 this year, and y'all, oh my god, it really just, like, y'all, it hit me the other day. Like, it just hit me like a ton of bricks. Is that the saying? Yeah, it hit me like fast. I was like, Jesus, how did we get here? I was just 16 the other day. Yeah, I realize, y'all, that I'm getting older and adulting sucks, okay? So if I have any, subscribers who are younger than me, like, even in their teens, listen, don't be in such a rush to become an adult. Because, honey, when you're an adult, it gets real. Now I understand why my mama used to tell me to cut them lights off when I didn't need them. Cause, honey, these bills are real and they out here and they trying to take over. So it's a new year, and of course, we've got some goals. I was thinking about my goals for the year. And first up, this is everybody's, goal when a new year begins. But I do want to lose weight. I do have a number that I'd like to lose by the end of the year, and I started working out last week. I got me a gym membership, and we are going into week 2 this week. I'm hoping to reach that number by the end of this year. I'm not gonna reveal it just yet because I don't want the folks to come for me and be like, girl, we thought you said you want to lose this many pounds by the end of the year. You still look the same. See, you're not minding your business. You're not minding your business. That's the problem. But yeah, so I'm trying to get fit. Also, I'd like to, as far as like social media, I want to grow on all my social media platforms. So I'm talking here, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter. Facebook is just for like personal. I know for YouTube, I want to be at the least at 500 subscribers before the year is up, or at the most 1,000, and I believe that I can achieve it. All I have to do is stay consistent, y'all. And I think I'm gonna give me a camera this year. Hope I'm able to. And I know this has been discussed, but y'all, I watched Surviving R. Kelly, and
I am disgusted.
Woo. Some of that made my stomach hurt. Could have puked listening to, some of that. I was like, yo, he has a problem. He has an issue. And then his brother, y'all, not the youngest one. I think his name's like Carrie or something. Bruce, that one that they were interviewing in jail. He was so ignorant and just like, he thought it was funny. I thought like he thought it was like a big joke, a big game. Like when he was like, Robert has a preference, he likes younger women. Okay, but we talking like 16, 17-year-old girls. Like, that's not no preference. That's a predator. I was like, he really thought everything was funny. Now, I ain't gonna lie. I did laugh when dude, when he was imitating Michael Jackson.
And when Michael Jackson heard it, Michael said, "Oh my God, it sounds just like me."
Why would y'all keep that? Like, why y'all ain't? Why would y'all keep? Who edited this? Y'all ain't right. But yeah, he frustrated me the most, cause especially when the youngest brother was saying that R. Kelly had accused him of being the one in that tape with the 14-year-old girl, and Bruce was like, why didn't you? I was asking him, like, why didn't you just take the money? You could be rich and blah 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 blah. I'm not about to sit back and let somebody lie on me for something I didn't do, and he gonna pay me to take back the things that I said. No, you didn't take back you saying it was me in that tape, so keep your money, keep your dirty money. That's how I feel. Yeah, that brother, he was just something else. I wasn't feeling him at all. I was like, yo, whose man's is this? Some of those parents, some of them put them in those situations. Like, you heard literally a span of 24 years, this man has been accused for countless things. You know what I'm saying? Doesn't matter if he was like the charges were dropped, you know, he was acquitted of all charges. Like, it does not matter. Like, he was still accused of all of this, and then one of them, you know, like in the tape, you know it's him. So I'm just like, y'all still gonna put y'all babies in harm's way? That's just my opinion. Like, come on, y'all, we gotta think before we do stuff. That's not all my thoughts on it, but that's all I can say right now, because that was just hurt my heart, hurt my soul to watch. Like, it was too much. Oh, another goal that I have for this year is to get better at eyeshadow looks. Like, I'm trying to be, you know, next level with it. I've been like trying to recreate a few looks that I've been seeing. I just ordered the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette because I need a colorful palette. I want that James Charles palette so bad. I literally y'all, I'm slow. When it first came out, I went to Ulta, put my hands on it, like touched it, looked at it, and you know, like swatched the one on display. And I did not buy it that day because I'm thinking, this is Tyler. Like, it's not that many people into makeup here. Who am I to think that? I don't know everybody in Tyler. So I went back the day of my birthday, right? And it was gone. Like, it was, when I was there, it was like 10 to 12 of the palettes just sitting there, and I had the money and everything, but I was thinking, I'll just come back because I don't know if I want it or not yet. Once I started to see people reviewing, looking at the looks they were creating and stuff, and I love the colors in it, I'm so mad at myself, y'all. So I just I've been waiting for it to come back in stock, and it did. And when I got on there to order it, gone. Like, y'all was so mad. I ain't lying. I'm like, really? Yeah, I'm so mad at myself, but I'm still gonna get it, like, cause I've been hearing like mixed reviews about the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil, about how like the colors are not as, you know, but we shall see. That's what I'm gonna use for the time being for my colorful palette. Yeah, because I don't play with color enough, I don't think, like, and I want to learn to like come up with my own looks I have come up with my own looks. But like, I don't think I'm like that creative though. Like, yeah. Y'all, I need help with wing liner. Wing liner is a struggle for me. I can't never get the sides to match at all. Y'all, and I'm already tired of these faux locks, and I've only had them for a couple of weeks. I just get tired of hairstyles quickly, but I'm gonna keep them up for about 3 or 4 more weeks, and then they got to go. All right, so I went ahead and put these lashes on and smoked out my bottom lash line off camera because whew. All right, y'all, so I just finished the rest of my face quickly and stopped talking because I looked at the time and realized that I was running late. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm sorry I really didn't get to talk about much because once I looked at the time I was like, sis, you about to be late to church, so I had to speed it up a little bit. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also hit that bell so you can turn on your post notifications and be notified every time I upload. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video.